The RiderX Electric Dirt Bike boasts a powerful 3,000-watt brushless motor, offering an impressive torque of 220 Newton meters, making it a formidable choice for tackling steep slopes and challenging terrains. Designed for all weather conditions, this electric bike features military-grade protection, ensuring reliable performance from the coldest Arctic environments to the hottest deserts. With a top speed of 38 miles per hour, this bike is perfect for off-road adventures while maintaining a quiet ride thanks to its advanced silent drive system. Safety is prioritized with dual hydraulic brakes and a robust carbon steel frame capable of supporting up to 289 pounds, providing stability and control for riders of all skill levels. The removable 48-volt battery offers a generous range of up to 48 miles per charge, with smart protection features to prolong its lifespan, making it ideal for long rides. Assembly is straightforward, with the bike arriving 90% pre-assembled, allowing users to easily attach the remaining components for a quick start to their riding experience.